Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today we're going to talk about cleansing the liver of toxins and mucus. How to cleanse the liver of toxins and mucus. Cleansing the liver of toxins and mucus can be approached through a combination of dietary changes, lifestyle habits, and natural remedies that support liver health. Here are some methods often recommended. 1. Hydration water. Staying well hydrated helps the liver flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Warm. Lemon water. Drinking warm water with fresh lemon juice in the morning stimulates liver enzymes and supports detoxification. 2. Liver-supporting foods. Incorporate foods known for their liver-cleansing properties. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts enhance detoxification enzymes. Beets and carrots. High in antioxidants and beta-carotene, these help the liver process and eliminate toxins. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation and promotes bile production. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and limes are high in vitamin C, aiding detoxification. 3. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs can support liver health and mucus removal. Milk thistle protects liver cells and regenerates damaged tissue. Dandelion root stimulates bile production and supports digestion. Burdock root, a natural blood purifier that aids the liver. Artichoke leaf extract improves bile flow and supports liver detox. 4. Avoid liver-taxing substances. Reduce or eliminate alcohol and processed foods. Limit refined sugars, trans fats, and artificial additives. Avoid unnecessary medications which can burden the liver. 5. Natural cleanses. Castor oil packs. Placing a castor oil pack over the liver area can promote detoxification. Epsom salt baths. Magnesium in Epsom salts helps draw out toxins. 6. Improve gut health. A healthy gut supports the liver in processing toxins. Probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. Fiber-rich foods, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables aid in the elimination of waste. 7. Engage in detoxifying practices. Dry brushing stimulates lymphatic flow, aiding toxin removal. Sweating. Through exercise or saunas, sweating helps expel toxins from the body. 8. Rest and sleep. Adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night, allows the liver to perform essential regenerative functions. 9. Specialized liver cleanses. Some people opt for liver flushes or cleanses involving olive oil and lemon juice, often used in short-term cleanses. Gallbladder cleanse. Consult a healthcare provider before attempting. 10. Manage mucus. Excess mucus in the body may indicate inflammation. Addressing it can complement liver cleansing. Anti-mucus foods. Ginger, cayenne pepper, garlic, and pineapple contains bromelain. Avoid mucus-forming foods, dairy, gluten, and processed foods. Important notes. Consult a professional. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any detox regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or take medications. Moderation is key. Avoid extreme cleanses or prolonged fasting, as they can stress the liver instead of supporting it. Consistent, gentle detoxification combined with a healthy lifestyle is the most effective way to support your liver in its natural cleansing functions.